Welcome back to another Etsy video, guys. Today we are going to use Allura, a great Etsy research tool to find a store that you can use an example for your own. So this means we're going to find a very profitable store that is doing extremely well, and there is still plenty of space in that market, in that niche, for you to set up a store of your own. So let's break it down. Let's show you exactly how you can do it. So as you can see, I am just on the Allura dashboard. The link for Allura is in the description, so be sure to go there and definitely use this tool. It helps save so much time and helps you build up stores in such good niches so quickly. So I'm just going to click resources and I'm just going to go on best selling Etsy shops, right? So this is the stores that Allura have picked up to be the most recent popular selling shops. So look, Caitlin Minimalist, 2 million sales, 20,000 sales a month, 68.9 million in rev. Now, you're not going to be able to go into that niche and, cut them off. They're in jewelry, right? So let's have a little look at them. Right, just as a good example, okay? So look, 2.2 million, nearly 1,300 listings, basically the biggest shop on Etsy, and look what they sell, right? Just personalized necklaces that is not easy. It's not hard, to get into this niche and sell, but obviously they dominate it, right? So we're going to avoid a store like that. And what we could do is let's go into the bags and purses niche. And we're just going to scroll down a bit. Okay. Let's go on to the next page. And, okay, Kodiak Leather Co. Let's try them. Let's try out Kodiak Leather Co. and see what we can do. Okay, so they have 63 listings, nearly 7,000 sales. Right? It looks like they are branding their own stores and they're quite high ticket. Okay, so let's avoid that. But all I'm really going to be doing here is I'm going to be going through different stores and I'm going to find stores that are potentially drop shipping, right? So that's all I'm going to do. So I'm going to come back when I found a store just using this method that's drop shipping, and I'm going to show you. Okay, so I have found a store I want to show you. I just went into trending shops. I clicked jewelry. I scrolled all the way down and I went to bracelets. And this subtle gem store is the one that stood out to me. So they've done nearly 80,000 sales, 1.2k sales a month. They've done 1.7 mil. And okay, so here it's estimating about 1.9. So they have 608 listings. 143 sales per listing. They've been selling since 2017. Here's some of their best products, right? So this is what Allura can show me. It's really fantastic. So here's some of the popular keywords they are using. Average price $22, 26 pence, 26. Okay, so they're doing very well, right? So look, it's a pretty basic store. This is their banner, nothing else. Personalized natural gemstones, jewelries and crystal sets. So they're a star seller, nice, 608 listings. Here's their breakdown, right? So what they have done is they have figured out what products they want to sell, and then they have ordered them in-house to create their own UGC. So if we take a look at this protection bracelet here it is on AliExpress, okay? So here's a supplier of it, okay? Then this product here is right here, okay? So what they have done is they have found this winning niche and they have then ordered products in themselves to take their own UGC. Now, if you wanted to get into this protection, anxiety type jewelry, right, this healing bracelets, healing crystals, protection bracelets, it looks potentially like it is a very good niche. And with this, right, when you're selling this beaded style of jewelry, right? This is what you can do. You can market it in any way you feel fit, any way you see fit. Okay, like look, to anyone else, this is just a quartz bead bracelet, right? But you market it, and now it is an anxiety relief protection bracelet that wards off bad spirits. Okay, and it's all it is just a little, natural stone obsidian bracelet from AliExpress. Okay, so if we look here, we can get this for £1 say £2, £18.53 they charge, £16 profit roughly before fees. Okay, so that's just showing you the scale of what can be done, right? It is all in the head. It is all how you market it. So look, this one is a popular one. So here's the ones that have been selling recently, because we can't look. So look, all you need to do is use the AliSeeks to then look it up, and then you find them, right? Look at all of these cool ones. And now let's break down some of their listings. Let's check out this Tiger Eye one. So look, it's a bestseller. Tiger Eye, Blue Tiger's Eye, bracelets for women, men's bracelet, men, Blue Tiger Eye, Red Tiger Eye, unisex. So you got the wrist size, bead size, whatever. Okay. Now, made to order, can be personalized, lovely. So look, they introduce their description with a bit of a paragraph explaining the product. Then all of this is just copy and paste after, right? This is just boilerplate in every single listing they have. Okay. Now they dispatch from Pflugerville, Texas. 1 business day. Let's see. Doesn't want to give me a time frame on shipping, but that's okay, right? So here we have it. This is a $1.7 million store that is just from AliExpress, and now they are just probably working with a supplier and fulfilling in-house now, but they would have started off just fulfilling from AliExpress using a private supplier straight from China. Okay, 23,000 reviews, and all I did was I just browsed Allura, right? 1.7, 80,000 sales, 1,200 sales a month, all because of Allura. We have now found this potential niche that we can get into on a new store. This protection jewelry, wards off bad spirits, anxiety bracelets, all this beaded stuff. There's clear demand for it. And then on their description here, look, buy any 3 items and get 1 free. Code get 1 free. So you have to look through the images to see this. Then they're showing you how to measure, and they're showing you how it comes. Okay, so heart chakra bracelet. Okay, now this just adds more images to the mix, and Etsy like that, right? Then they've explained the bead size. So this is something we push a lot, and we like to tell people to solve common customer problems within the listing itself, so they don't have to message you. That is less time you have to spend managing the store, right? So they have a nice sale in here, how to measure, the bead sizes, how it comes. Then look down here, our promise, bracelet sizes, they reiterate. Here's all the answers to your problems. Here's all the answers. You don't need to message us, right? And now guess what? They're solving time on customer service, and they are now able to find more winning products, right? And these type of products are brilliant because you can duplicate them and now sell them in a different way. This one's an anxiety bracelet. This one's a protection bracelet. This one wards off bad spirits. This one's for this. This one's a look beaded charm bracelet. So once you're in this niche, this is a niche that's going to take you to the moon, right? If this store was able to do 87,000 sales with it, 1,200 sales a month, you think you can't do 5-10 orders a day, right? So it's that easy. Okay, it really, really is that easy. So if you want to learn more about Etsy, join our Discord. We are one of the largest Etsy oriented Discords there is. The link for that is in the description. And I hope you all have a great weekend. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.